What if I told you that right now, somewhere in the world, a complete beginner just opened their laptop, used a few AI tools for a couple of hours, and made almost $300 in a single day?
No office, no advanced degree, no huge social media following. Just a laptop, internet, and a few smart AI tools. It sounds like one of those exaggerated online claims, but here's the twist. People actually are doing this. The catch is that most beginners trying to copy these strategies are doing it completely wrong. They try complicated systems, they chase automation tricks, they think AI will somehow magically make money for them. But the people quietly making real money with AI are doing something much simpler. They're using AI to complete normal online work faster than everyone else. And once you understand that simple idea, the whole $300 per day with AI concept suddenly starts to make a lot more sense. The first thing to understand is that AI doesn't create money, it creates speed. Imagine you're hired to write product descriptions for an online store. Before AI, writing one good description might take 15 or 20 minutes. If the client needs 20 descriptions, that could easily take several hours of work. But with AI tools, the first draft can be generated in seconds. You just edit it, make it sound natural, adjust the tone, and deliver it. What used to take 4 hours might now take 40 minutes. So if a client pays $50 for that task, your hourly earning just increased dramatically. Do that 5 or 6 times in a day, and suddenly the $300 number becomes realistic. This is exactly why content writing has become one of the easiest AI-powered side hustles for beginners. Businesses constantly need written content. Online stores need product descriptions. Websites need blog posts. Companies send email newsletters every week. Social media accounts need captions every single day. The demand never stops. The problem is that most business owners either don't enjoy writing or simply don't have the time. That's where beginners using AI step in and offer help. Instead of staring at a blank page for hours, they use AI to generate ideas, outlines, and drafts instantly. Then they refine the text so it feels human and useful. From the client's perspective, they receive quality content quickly. From the freelancer's perspective, the work becomes dramatically faster. But writing isn't the only opportunity where beginners are using AI to make money. Another surprisingly profitable area is social media content creation. Think about how many businesses should be posting online every day but don't. Restaurants, coaches, online stores, gyms, real estate agents. Most of them know social media is important, yet their accounts remain inactive for weeks. Why? Because creating consistent content is exhausting. You need ideas, captions, hashtags, images, and sometimes even short videos. Doing this daily can quickly become overwhelming for small business owners. AI tools change that completely. In just a few minutes, someone can generate dozens of post ideas, write captions, and even plan an entire month of content. That means a beginner can prepare 30 social media posts in less than an hour. Many freelancers now sell social media packages where they create a full month of posts for businesses. These packages can range anywhere from $100 to $400, depending on the work involved. Even landing just a few clients like that can create a surprisingly steady income. But there's another area where AI tools are helping beginners make money even faster: visual content. Every piece of content on the internet needs images. YouTube videos need thumbnails. Instagram needs graphics. Online stores need product visuals. Advertisements need eye-catching designs. Creating these visuals used to require serious design skills. But AI image generators have changed the game.
Now, beginners can generate creative backgrounds, concepts, and visual ideas instantly. Then they refine the design using simple tools like Canva.
One common example is YouTube thumbnails. Many small creators don't know how to design good thumbnails, but they know thumbnails affect views dramatically, so they're willing to pay someone else to create them. A single thumbnail might sell for $10 or $20. A creator who uploads frequently might order 10 thumbnails at once. That single order could easily reach $100. 3 similar orders in a day, and the $300 milestone suddenly isn't unrealistic anymore. But here's the most important lesson beginners eventually discover. They're not really selling AI. They're selling results. Businesses don't care what tool you used. They care that their social media looks active, their product descriptions sound professional, and their marketing content attracts customers. The smartest beginners never advertise AI services. Instead, they offer outcomes like writing product descriptions, managing social media content, creating thumbnails, or producing marketing copy. AI simply becomes the invisible assistant, helping them work faster. And that speed creates a massive advantage. Imagine 2 freelancers offering the exact same service. One takes 3 days to deliver. The other delivers the next day. Most clients will choose the faster option every time. AI allows beginners to move quickly without sacrificing quality, which means they can complete more work within the same amount of time. That's the real secret behind these AI income stories. It's not automation magic. It's productivity. Another reason this opportunity exists right now is because businesses are adapting slowly. AI technology exploded incredibly fast, but millions of companies still operate with old workflows. They still struggle with content creation, marketing ideas, and online consistency. Meanwhile, individuals using AI tools can produce content at the speed of a small marketing team. That gap creates opportunity. And the people who understand how to combine AI tools with practical services are the ones quietly turning it into real daily income. Not because AI is doing everything for them, but because AI is removing the slowest parts of the process. The truth is that reaching $300 per day with AI isn't about finding a secret trick. It's about offering simple services that businesses already need and using AI to deliver those services faster than most people can. If you found this breakdown helpful, you'll definitely enjoy the next video where I reveal 5 powerful AI tools that can automate hours of work in minutes. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check that out next.